The following message is transmitted at the request of NASA and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. All residents near Lake Michigan must evacuate to higher ground or move inland now. A meteorite impact that struck near the center of Lake Michigan has generated a tsunami in which it is between 400 to 500 feet tall. If you are in the warned area, you must evacuate immediately. A tsunami is a series of waves that isn't surfable. Evacuations are taking place in other cities in the warned areas. If you don't leave now, you may face certain death. To repeat, a tsunami warning has been issued for all areas in Lake Michigan. You must evacuate to higher ground or move inland immediately.